Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just wanted to come on and talk about the new Cricut Bright 360. So this popped up on my feed today in terms of my YouTube feed. If you're not subscribed to the official Cricut YouTube channel, you need to, because when new things come up, you'll get the details on that. And I am not at all affiliated with Cricut at the time of this recording. So I just wanted to put that out there because I was shocked to see this pop up on my feed, and so I wanted to share it with everyone else. So basically Cricut Bright 360 is Cricut's new lighting. If you actually go to Cricut.com, you can click on lighting and this will pop up. So this is the new light that Cricut has. And it actually looks pretty dope. I was like, based on the 50-second video that I saw, Cricut had me pretty sold on a lamp. So you guys can go in and check it out for yourself. But this lamp appears to have some pretty dope features. I'm just going to scroll through and it's going to show you a couple of things. But what got me with the Cricut video was that as somebody who does YouTube videos, as somebody who takes pictures of their product and things like that, the video actually sold it. And it's showing that it has a dimmer and it can brighten. So it kind of has that ambiance type of lighting. So it really looks like it gives that light box effect when you are filming and when you are taking pictures. Yeah. And the whole 360 effect shows you that it's kind of like a desk lamp, but it can pivot and it can swivel. So as you can see in this picture, and I'm just on Cricut's website, it has the floor lamp style, the larger lamp, and then it has the desk lamp style, which is a smaller lamp. Now we know Cricut products come with a nice little Cricut price. So I think the floor lamp was $249 if I'm not mistaken, and the desk lamp was $199. Yep, $199 for the table lamp and $249 for the floor lamp. So yep, I was right on that. But I'm just putting it out there. You guys can go check it out. You can look at the features. Go to Cricut's YouTube. Go to Cricut's website. Go check it out. I just wanted you guys to be abreast of what is going on in Cricut world today. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.